might be a little foggy because I just turned the airs off and it's a little humid today. So this was one of the bedroom, full twin size. Air conditioning was wonderful. So this room is ready to go. I'm gonna walk through before we leave. Hold on. Okay, this was the other room with 2 full-size beds. Done and ready to go. Lights off. Master bedroom. It was comfortable. And dresser. And master bath. Master bath. Master bath. And it looks like the light's on, but it's the skylights. And we have skylights also in the hallway, so it looks like the light is on, but it isn't. This is the second bathroom, kitchen. Outdoor. What are you doing, Meng? You ready to leave? Yeah. Wow, child. Okay, kitchen. I had mop. This going to my mom's house. And these are the stairs going down. Another cooler going to my mom's house. The food we had left over in the freezer. And we shall go Barajo. Laundry room and a second refrigerator. And this was the downstairs bedroom that Papi Pablo had. Where's the fish? Where is it though?
It's like
wait, let me go down. Okay, this is the living room. That table was in the middle, but we do movie night, so we moved it over. But it's so cool down here, guys, because they have those glass doors. I open them all the way, and at night it's nice and cool. So this is the downstairs. Everything's done. This is going upstairs. Babe, look at the cooler with the ice cold food. It's up to you. And this is the downstairs shower. It's a little messy because we're leaving. But downstairs shower. And yeah, you can go. We're leaving. Open this up. We open all of these up. And here we had a grill, chairs, our kayaks. We have an outdoor shower, and we had this a little sink. And we go to the beach. That beach, the water was amazing. It was great to go into the beach whenever we wanted. All right, guys, this is the tour of the house. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't want to leave, but we gotta go. Oh, para ponerlo en YouTube.
Bro, you doing a video there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Sexy Robert. You sexy thing, you know.
I know.
of us.